watching Toronto 360 TV with Sabir, Gaya, and Eoscl.
Assalamualaikum, this is Naeem Tarikiani from Eoscl. आज हम इंशाल्लाह यहाँ पर ओपनिंग सेरेमनी हमारी है, which is what we are starting. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी टीम्स यहाँ पे आई हुई हैं. They have gathered together here, and इंशाल्लाह अब थोड़ी देर में हम अपनी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी स्टार्ट करेंगे. Along with टीम्स को बुलाएंगे, टीम के कप्तानों को बुलाएंगे, उनके स्पॉन्सर्स को बुलाएंगे. Just to introduce them to all of you कि Eoscl में कितनी टीमें हैं और कितने लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. तो keep watching. थोड़ी देर में इंशाल्लाह हम अपनी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी स्टार्ट करते हैं. And keep watching Toronto 360. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Eoscl. Most of you who are here have been playing Eoscl since season 1. So Eoscl is Event Ontario Softball Cricket League. We started Eoscl in 2016 with 8 teams in total, providing platform to the community so that they can play professional cricket. Along with, we got a full support with Milton Town councillors. So before we go further, I would like all of you to give a big round of applause to all of you guys. Because of that, we are here right now and doing season 4. All right, so Eoscl cannot be happen without a very dedicated team. That's what we have now. You probably have seen all of us, but I would like to introduce for all of you who are new to Eoscl season 4. Mubashir, you all know this guy. He has been president of Eoscl, running the show all together from one point to another, and you will see him in the ground all the time. Azhar Akbari, he's been technical architect dealing with website and all other scoring system and all. So that's what Azhar Akbari is being taken care of. Now, as we're progressing Eoscl since season 1, we have tons of umpires who have been with us. So for now, I have Harry. He has been umpiring with us since season 2. So thank you so very much, Harry, being part of Eoscl. And we have other umpires who are getting part in Eoscl as well. So as I mentioned, Eoscl could not be happen without the dedicated team and without the support we got from Town of Milton and Milton Councillor. I would like to request all councillors to please come over and we'll have a quick chat. So Zishan Hamid from Team Hamid, Mike Cloet from Team Cloet, Samira Ali from Team Ali, John Shalner from Team Shalner, and Rick DiLorenzo and Colin. We have been doing this for past 3 years and you are new to this league. So what do you think about the cricket as a sport and Eoscl, what do you have heard so far?
So I took a very close look at my team, compared them to the other teams, and I said to them, my expectations are we win every game, we play hard, and if you look at our team as well, you'll notice that they're kind of mature compared to everybody else.
So we have new councillor in town as well, Samira Ali. She's leading Team Ali from the councillor perspective. So Samira, you know cricket. It's not a new sport for you. So what do you think about Eoscl and cricket itself?
Thank you so much, Naeem. I'm really happy to be here. Eoscl has done great work for the community, and cricket is all about community and bringing everybody together. I was having some kind of trash talk with my colleagues here, and they reminded me that it's not about winning or losing, it's just about having fun. And they are completely right. I just hope everybody has a great time with the series. And I love cricket. I grew up playing it with my brother, with my uncles. I can't guarantee that the ball will touch my bat, but I will try. Thank you so much.
So what do you think about this is season 4? How does your team look like today?
This is the season we're going to make it to the playoffs. Every year, my team has come close, and somehow it's made it to the, what's it called, the Premium League or the, somehow we've always made it to the Premium League, but we've never made it to the playoffs. It's all about having fun, bringing your family and friends out to watch the game, cheering people on, enjoying time together with your friends and family, and enjoying the thrill of the game. So I'm looking forward to a new season. I did tell my team that in the past I brought donuts. They said this year bring something more healthy like bananas or is there something more to give them better energy, but not the sugar, because the sugar rush has a little crash. But just enjoying I'm looking forward to the season.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Like I said, I want to thank Naeem and Event Ontario for organizing this thing, for giving us a chance to come out and play and participate, get some sunshine. And that's it. So let's get out there and have fun.
Team Cluet have won the championship in 2017. Team Hamid was in the finals last year. So there's always a rivalry between Team Cluet and Team Hamid. So what do you think about it now?
No, seriously, it's all about fun. It's all about bringing our community together. This last few years has been fantastic, bringing our community together. Some of us learning cricket for the first time, as I mentioned before. You know, they would hit the ball, the players would go back and forth, and I was asking them, like, can I tackle them? Because I grew up watching football and hockey and all that other kind of stuff. So, and he said no. So everybody's safe. But I've learned so much about this sport. I've learned so much about this, the bond that happens between the teams, and we're looking forward to it again this year. Again, we get competitive. We'll razz each other. We'll have a little bit of fun. But at the end of it, we're all going to come together and cheer on the winner at the end of the season. And of course, that's Team Cluet.
All right, Colin Best, please.
Similar to what my other counselors, but we do have Team Best here. Guys, put it up there.
There we go.
As the old saying goes, you save the best to last. It is about fun, but we did the first year, didn't we, guys? We'll do it again, and hopefully have fun. And also, just to let the other counselors know, we need a hardball cricket field. We'll work towards it, and we'll get that field fixed as soon as possible. Good luck, Naeem, and thank you again for you and your volunteers for putting this all together.
Thank you so very much. Big round of applause for these counselors, please. Now we request all of these counselors to go back to your teams, and we'll start calling you. We have two groups in USCL, Premier and Division. Premier plays like many overs than Division, and the way it's gonna work at the end of the year, Premier and Division group teams switch places. So the bottom two in Premier switch places with the top two in Division. That has been happening since season 1, which is why we got some competitive advantage to all of the team, and they make competitive as well. So I'm gonna call team by team. They're gonna come here, we'll introduce teams to you along with their sponsors, and we just go around from then onward. So that's how it's gonna work. So I would like to request Team Sunrisers to please come over, and we have their sponsor Abdul Jabbar right here. Big round of applause. We have Abdul Jabbar with us. He has been very instrumental as part of Team Milton Sunriser. So, sir, what do you want to say? How does your team look like today?
This is a great opportunity for me to talk to Miltonian. And I'm also thankful to Naeem Bhai and his organizations and all his team that they have provided us a chance to be over here for the healthy competition. Regardless which country we belong, regardless which religion we belong, regardless which political party we belong. It is a very neutral forum, and that forum is the sports. We welcome you all, and this is a very healthy competition. Team Sunriser, Zindabad.
Now we have a captain from Team Milton Sunriser, Khurram. So Khurram, क्या कहते हो? क्या करना है इस दफ़ा?
इंशाल्लाह ताला के हम तो हर साल की तरह पार्टिसिपेट करते आ रहे हैं यूएसएल में और आप जैसा इवेंट करवा रहे हैं बहुत कामयाब और ज़बरदस्त। बस मैं सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि ये दिस इज़ क्रिकेट, गेम खेलें, ग्राउंड में आए, गेम खेल के फन करें। लेकिन जब हम क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ सीरियस हो जाते हैं, ये वो फलाना लेग पुलिंग, तो प्लीज़ avoid this thing now. Thank you so much for the
Very good. I would like to request the sports guys to please come over and show how exactly your team look like. So sports guys, right there. What do you think about the team this year? How you bring your team this year?
Just like last year, definitely gonna give good competition to other teams and put some effort to present our best game to everybody.
We have just introduced her over here, and she's new to the USCL, and I hope she's gonna be very instrumental to the team as well. So Team Ali, Samira Ali and Team Ali, please come over, guys. Sponsored by Milton Paramount and Toronto 360. So we have CEO of Toronto 360 here with us, Arshad Bhatti bhai. Please come over. So Arshad bhai, Toronto 360, very instrumental, mashallah. One of the best channel on IPTV channel. और इंशाल्लाह हम लोग अपना खुद का प्रोग्राम भी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. So there are another thing going on. क्या कहते हैं टीम के बारे में? क्या कहते हैं USCL के बारे में?
अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर रिकग्नाइजिंग टोरंटो 360 टीवी। और ख़ुद नईम भाई जो हमारे हैं, अभी इनका प्रोग्राम जो है वो शुरू हो रहा है यूएससीएल का जो है, स्पेशली ऑनर है। समीरा साहब भी हैं, सब लोग भी हैं, और क्रिकेट का किसको जुनून नहीं है। हम सब लोग तो क्रिकेट जो है, और लास्ट ईयर मुझे पता नहीं चला, लेकिन इस दफ़ा मुझे उम्मीद है हमारी टीम कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर करेगी।
मैं हूं वकास गोंदल और आप देख रहे हैं टोरंटो 360 टीवी। देखते रहिए।
First of all, thank you for taking our request of increasing the overs. That's our team definitely appreciate that. And yes, we have some new player this year. So we'll see. We have been doing well last 3 seasons, but we'll try our best this season too.
I'm very humbled to be here, brother, and you're doing an awesome job. You have given the platform to everyone from Mississauga, Brampton, Milton to get united and play this game. It's great for our kids to know and learn, especially my kids and other kids who are born here, who don't know cricket. You're giving them that platform to understand what cricket is all about. And I'm very humbled and very thankful to providing this kind of platform.
Thank you so very much. All right, Zishan Hamid, sir, you have been with us in season 1. You have seen all the challenges what we have faced. How does your team look like this year?
Oh, it's a winning team, I'm telling you. Sam made a mistake last year of sponsoring Team Cloet. This year he saw the light, and he's with Team Hamid. That's my proof right
All
there.
everybody needs to think about out there is remember St. Louis Blues, Las Vegas Knights, first time in the series. Watch us this year. Think St. Louis, think Las Vegas. That's us.
There you go.
First of all, I would like to thank for all players, all team members, all sponsors, and it's a good event. We are trying to show our basic and excellent ethics, behavior through cricket. We are new in this tournament, but cricket is not new for us. We will try our best of level.
That's what we wanted.
To win this one.
I would like to thank Naeem Bhai for giving us this opportunity and giving him a round of applause for arranging such a massive and well-organized tournament. So we enjoyed last year, and we realized that the level of competition in this tournament is very high. And if you want to compete, you have to bring your own team, and you have to bring really good players. So this year we had some good players in our team, and we are expecting that they will perform well. So let's see. We may the best team win.
Thank you, Naeem Bhai. First of all, giving me this year another opportunity to support one of the best teams in your fleet. And I would also like to congratulate you and your team to bring another wonderful season for cricket in Milton. And I would say just best of luck to my team and all the teams who are here or whoever cannot make it today. Best of luck to all of them, and hopefully we'll see some good cricket this season as well. Thank you.
Right? And we have one of your sponsors as well, right? So Shahid Bhai, please come over. So Shahid Bhai, this is your first time, I believe, being part of USCL. So have you heard about USCL before, and what do you see so far?
Basically, I've heard a lot in the last 4 years from my cousin, Ali Bhai. And I belong from Caledon, but it's just amazing to see what an outcome and the support that this organization is getting. Just want to be a part of it, something exciting, and look forward to a great season.
Awesome. Thank you so very much. So team captain of Team Toronto Titans, right? So you got into a counselor team last year, right? And you thought to bring up your own team this year. How did that thought came into your mind, and what are you bringing next this year?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Naeem Bhai. Good question. So this is our fourth year. We have been playing, almost all of us have been playing from season 1 under Rick DiLorenzo's team. So big shout out to all my sponsors first who made this happen. And then also the team members that I have. I'm very proud of the boys and looking forward to a very healthy and competitive season this year.
Awesome.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you for having me here. So last year, I think we built a brand new team under the name Falcons. And we performed reasonably well. And I think as a result of that, we have qualified to be in premier level this year. We're looking forward to have some tough competition. In terms of what's new in our team, it's pretty much same. I mean, 70% same team. I think we've got about 30% new additions. We have strengthened our batting lineup as well as bowling lineup. So we're looking forward to have some tough competition and enjoy the game. Thank you very much.
Awesome. And team?
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. First of all, thanks Naeem Bhai for their excellent arrangement for this opening ceremony event. We are very glad that we can see the multiple colors, so we can feel some blessings for the summer this season. It comes very late, but at last we can see the blessings of the summer. So regarding the Event Ontario team, my team is here, our main counselor is here. So we are very excited. We are very, very excited, in fact, to participate in our full energy and motivate our team especially and the other teams as well. So wish you best of luck, all teams, and especially Team Clued.
3 words: Peak Producers Group. Enough said.
Awesome. Big round of applause to Michael, please. Awesome. Thank you so very much, Team Clued. And then you can go back to the spot. Thank you so very much.
It's a great journey. Looking forward to growing bigger and better and building the teams and the network. And I'm hoping in future years we're going to be playing other teams in other cities and growing and expanding. And every year gets better and better.
Yeah, I think it's been incredible to be part of this tournament for the last 4 years. And the organization and the arrangement and the ground setting there, like with the backdrop of the mound, is beautiful. And the work, the dedication that Naeem and his team has put together to get us all in the ground, more importantly, to make sure we behave there, that's, I think, incredible effort. I think one of the wish I have, maybe the counselor can get some money and get some floodlights into the ground, to have some night cricket there. All right, so I think having a night cricket with a tape ball will just change the participation level.
It's going to come. There are a couple of things what I believe you're working on is going to come. But thank you so very much.
First of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm very excited to be part of all this. We're going to watch some good matches. This year, I have heard that we have got some good players. So we are actually thinking of putting up a very good competition. And
very good.
And I told before as well, Mike's team. We probably want to beat Mike's team first.
So you are hitting Mike's team as well. All right, good one. Fakhar Bhai, what do you want to say about your team?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I played from since season 1, and I've been involved in, we've been in different teams, and then we planned last year to make our own team, and we played division, but we didn't have much success. So this year we started build up a new team, and we have lots of good players. and hopefully we will produce good results. And also I am thankful to my both sponsors, Azhar Sheikh and also Milton Maddox, the Kamran, and they really help us out to build this team. And also Naeem Bhai, obviously, he gave us a really good platform for show of our talent, hidden talent.
Hi, everybody. My name is Sandeep from SR Legal. I know our team had a really great run last year. A couple years ago, we were champions. This year, proud sponsor again, SR Legal. We're looking for our team, Team Best, to come out best, win this again, champions again. So a big thank you to everybody who's here. A big hello to all the familiar faces. We'll see you as champions at the end of the season. Thank you.
We all know us anyway, so I mean, we've been playing in this league for a while. We are enjoying every year. And, you know, Naeem and Mubashir and, of course, our counselor, Colin Best, and Sandeep, thank you very much. And we are here to play good cricket, and we're going to continue to play. And I think this year we're going to give up.
Okay, now we're going to move to our next segment, which we have been doing for past 3 years. There are different nationalities which we are seeing which are part of USCL. So we would like to play national anthem for all of those nationalities. And by playing national anthem, it's a protocol that we all have to rise up. And then we'll play all 4 national anthems which will start. So we'll start with the national anthem of Canada. Thank you. Now we are moving to national anthem of Sri Lanka. National anthem of India. Thank you. National anthem of Pakistan. All right, so I would really wanted to say thank you to all of you. Without all of you, the USCL itself would not be possible. We are going to have some competitive and some very good matches ahead of us. 17 teams, number of players what we are having is more than 350. There are different nationalities. You've already heard the national anthem for those. So it's growing right now. So it's all because of you. We are here so that you can get the good cricket. So thank you so very much. We have some refreshment outside. You can have some. And if some of the sponsors, there are some requests which I've received that they would like to play some cricket. So we have some platform here. So if we can have some fun, we can start some fun over here. Now, our next match is today between Team Sunriser and Team Hamid. I would request both of these teams to get onto the ground and we'll meet you there. All right. So, we also have to say EOSCL, shout and loud, however loud you can go. Sudesh, I'm looking at you right now. Kapil, did we take it? Okay, so he's going to take one. All right. All right, thank you so very much. We'll see you at the ground, and thank you.
EOSCL सीज़न 4 की आज ओपनिंग सेरेमनी थी जिम्नेजियम में। इंडोर आज इसलिए किया गया कि मौसम थोड़ा सा ख़राब था, लेकिन मैच जो है आज जो है वो शुरू हो रहे हैं, ग्राउंड्स मैच शुरू हो रहे हैं। नईम कियानी साहब हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। नईम भाई, माशाल्लाह मुबारक हो, 4th सीज़न है, बड़ी इम्प्रेसिव आपकी जो है ओपनिंग सेरेमनी भी थी। तो क्या कुछ होने जा रहा है इस दफ़ा?
इस साल काफ़ी चेंजेस आ रही हैं इंशाल्लाह, और इस साल चेंजेस आ रही हैं कि कुछ हम चेंजेस ला रहे हैं प्रीमियर ग्रुप में, कुछ डिवीज़न ग्रुप में, कुछ नए चेहरे इस दफ़ा इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं, कुछ नई टीमें इस दफ़ा आ रही हैं। तो ऑल इन ऑल इज़ गोना बी वेरी गुड लीग इंशाल्लाह दिस ईयर। और पिछले 3 सालों से जो हमने जो एक फॉर्मेट हम लेके चल रहे हैं, उसी फॉर्मेट को हम आगे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, और इसी तरीके से ये इंशाल्लाह आगे चलता जाएगा।
चलिए, विश यू गुड लक। उम्मीद है कि ज़बरदस्त मैच देखने को मिलेंगे, और आपका जो प्रोग्राम है उसमें अपडेट भी हमें मिलती रहेगी।
डेफिनेटली, और इसीलिए इंशाल्लाह आपको हर वीक इस प्रोग्राम के हवाले से और इस EOSCL के हवाले से यू विल गेट ऑल द अपडेट्स। थैंक यू सो मच।
और जनाब, आपने देखा कि हमारे बैकग्राउंड में जो है वो प्रैक्टिस भी जारी है, और टोरंटो 360 की टीम अली जो है वो स्पॉन्सर है टोरंटो 360 उसका। और हम आपको इसके अपडेट्स जैसे बताया कि EOSCL के जो प्रोग्राम है नईम कियानी साहब का, वो एवरी वीक आप जो हैं वो देखा करेंगे, और उसमें इसकी अपडेट्स मिलती रहेगी। क्रिकेट हर पाकिस्तानी के, हर साउथ एशियन के खून में शामिल है, और क्रिकेट पाकिस्तानी और इंडियन और श्रीलंकन्स कहीं हों, क्रिकेट हो और वहाँ पहुँचे ना, ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं है। तो आपको अपडेट करते रहेंगे हम, और यहाँ जिन रीज़न से हम आपसे लेंगे इजाज़त, और जो अपडेट्स हैं इसकी मुख्तलिफ मैचेस की आप तक पहुँचाते रहेंगे। कैमरामैन साबिर गाया के साथ अरशद भट्टी को दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़ और सपुर्द मौला।
You're watching Toronto 360 TV. After the commercial break, we're coming right back. Don't go away.
Keep watching Toronto 360 TV and we'll be back. Hello, Mississauga Erin Mills. If you are looking to get involved with the Liberal Party, to get involved in civic engagement, please come out and join our team in Mississauga Erin Mills. Look me up on Google, look me up on my website, ikrahkhalid.ca. Find me on Twitter, I am Ikra Khalid. Get involved, come out, volunteer, come knock on doors with me and understand how important your voice is in how we govern ourselves. It's going to be a wonderful summer and I look forward to having you as part of Team Ikra and Team Trudeau.
मैं पढ़ने के साथ साथ अपनी अम्मी के साथ काम भी करती हूँ, जैसे कि मेरी अम्मी घरों में काम जाके करती हैं, इसी तरह मैं भी काम करती हूँ।
हम दोनों को पढ़ने का बहुत शौक़ है। हमारे अब्बू का इंतकाल हो गया है, इसकी वजह से हम अपने घर की गुर्बत को ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं। मुस्लिम वेलफेयर स्कूल सेंटर हमारी बहुत मदद करता है, पढ़ाई में भी फ्री तालीम भी देते हैं और साथ साथ राशन भी देते हैं, किताबें, यूनिफॉर्म सब फ्री।
Muslim Welfare Center. Service to humanity is service to Allah.
उरूज फाइनेंशियल के जाहिद सैयद लाए आपके फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के लिए ट्रैवल एंड विजिटर्स इंश्योरेंस जो दे आपको बेस्ट प्लान एट बेस्ट प्राइस, महाना पेमेंट्स प्लान फॉर सुपर वीजा इंश्योरेंस और क्लेम में मदद, आपके बेहतर मुस्तकबिल की जमानत। उरूज फाइनेंशियल के जाहिद सैयद लाए आपके मॉर्गेज डेट के लिए लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एंड इन केस ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी मंथली पेमेंट प्लान जो आपकी फैमिली को दे बेनिफिट, ना कि आपके बैंक को। आपके बेहतर मुस्तकबिल की जमानत। उरूज फाइनेंशियल।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अलबरका ट्रैवल को खुदा के बाद आपने बनाया आज का नंबर 1 उम्रा एजेंट इन कनाडा। उम्रा की बेहतरीन सर्विसेज ताकि आप मुकम्मल इत्मीनान के साथ तमाम मनासिक अदा कर सकें।
Assalamu alaikum. If you're planning to perform Umrah or you want to visit your back home to see your loved ones, please call Al-Barka Travels.
Al-Barka Travel अपने निहायत मुनासिब यानी मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल उम्रा पैकेजेस के साथ अभी कॉल करें at 905-232-6566।
Thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, whether it be residential, commercial, or pre-construction, Arshad Bhatti and his team of professionals can help. We have guaranteed allocations in high-rise and low-rise pre-construction projects in and around the GTA. Call Arshad Bhatti at 416-300-5600. That's 416-300-5600 or register at arshadbhatti.com.
Injuries not only impact you, but also people around you. Life is better than this. Let's get your life back. The injury lawyers at Alam Law will use their years of experience to handle your claim so that you can focus on your recovery. And remember, you don't pay until we win. Alam Law.